Hello, I hope you guys are having a great day. It is the first weekend in December here in North Iowa, which means we're going to be working on some gingerbread houses. Our family of 7 is gluten-free, mostly dairy-free, and absolutely always dye-free. And so I want to show you what we're using to put together these little gingerbread houses. Here you can kind of see the basis of what we're using. We're starting with some gluten-free graham crackers. We've got Giggles and we've got Yum Earth gummy bears. Now these would be closest to like your regular gummy bears you'd buy. This is similar to a Skittles, but it does not have the artificial food coloring in it. We've got some frosting that we'd picked up from Aldi. Now you might be thinking like white frosting, of course that's dye-free. This one is, but the majority of the white frostings that you'll find on your grocery store are not dye-free. So definitely if you are dye-free, check the ingredients for that. Don't just assume it's white, it's dye-free. Over here we have some lemon drop candies. We've never tried these before, so this is new for us. And then we also have Unreal. This is also dye-free. Obviously everything's dye-free here today. This is gonna be closest to like your M&Ms. Another idea that actually my teenage son thought of was just using peanut butter to hold the house together. And actually, of course, that's really sticky and works really well for holding the pieces together. Now, this may be underwhelming to some of you. Maybe you really like getting the big kits and doing all of that. This may be overwhelming to some of you. So just kind of judge what works best for your family. But for us, this just works for all skill levels. We have 5 kids aged 7 months up to 21. And so they all just have different abilities and different interests. Like some of these guys really love doing art, some do not. And so we're just gonna kind of let them be creative, do what they want, and decorate their houses as they wish. Quick side note, take a look at this fantastic wooden creation that Mr. Awesome and one of our sweet little kiddos made for me. As a big family and a homeschooling family, we always have water bottles all over the place. And I'm like, if you guys could just put them all in one spot. And so now they do have a dedicated spot to put them in. It's just some pieces of wood they put together and then they put some felt on the bottom and stained it. I really love it. Okay, tell me what you have going on with yours.
So this is the Willy Wonka chocolate factory, and it has a chocolate stream here, and then a mailbox.
Very nice.
And Oompa Loompas on the side.
Oh yeah, the Oompa Loompas, that's good. Ooh, are you gonna eat the whole thing today?
Maybe.
Maybe. Nice work. Okay, what can you tell me about your creation?
It is, this is a spoon, this is a bowl, and I put little candy in it, so it can be like food, and then some sprinkles in here, so it can be food in here too.
I can totally see how you did that. So he's got a spoon on the left and then a bowl on the right. That is really creative.
Yeah.
Are you gonna eat all yours today?
Yeah.
Yeah. Nice job, buddy. Thanks for sharing.
Hey guys, Mr. Awesome here. This is what I ended up making. So I made basically a cabin looking thing, like a house, and I made the main box, did a little pitch for my roof. So I ate down about 3/4 of one of these pieces and made like a stable for the middle piece here. And then I kind of just glued peanut butter on everything. We got some landscaping on the sides here, and it looks like a little sidewalk up here. And the blue thing right there, that's the door to go in, and some more landscaping in the front, and got some bears hanging out outside.
All right, guys, next up we've got the Cart Boy. He has his own YouTube channel. This is our 16-year-old son. He's losing his voice a little bit, so I'm gonna have him step in and show you what he made here.
All right, so first of all, to kick it off, pretty funny. Right over here, I got a little bear taking a tinkle in the woods, and then I have dirt all around. There's some rocks here, and then right over here, some bears are enjoying a campfire, and then inside here, there's some bears talking, and they got a tent, and it's a whole campsite.
That's really nice. Very creative, even down to the detail of the bear taking a tinkle. Nice work. Very age appropriate. Okay, next up is our 21-year-old. This is Maddie. She has her own channel, Gluten Free Maddie. What kind of stuff do you share there?
All things gluten-free.
Yeah, so a lot of gluten-free recipes and food, mostly more nutritious than this, but not all of it.
No.
I think are your Oreo truffles on there?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, she's got some really good stuff on there. So I'll link down to that below as well. She's a little embarrassed to be on camera right now because she doesn't have her hair done or makeup on. And I was like, but look at me. This is what Saturday morning in December is all about, right? Just hanging out with family. Like, it's not about putting on this whole facade. Like, she does enjoy makeup. She actually has an Instagram too. Okay, mom plugs, that's enough. I'm gonna have her show what she made here.
So this is like a long house, and these gummy bears are helping these get little ornaments up on the house. And there's some inside too. Hello.
This is very cute. I love this.
Thank you.
Oh, I forgot to ask you, are you planning to eat all of this today?
Maybe not today. Like spending it out from today and tomorrow.
Like tomorrow morning or tomorrow afternoon?
Yeah.
All right, nice work. Okay, I just tucked myself in the mudroom. I do not enjoy doing this. It's a mess. I don't enjoy the actual physical, like hands-on making the gingerbread house, but my kids love this so much. And so here I am, we're just spending a Sunday or Saturday morning doing this. So I made a box, a very basic box. And then I stuck most of my candy down inside. I did kind of have like this patterned road going on. It's terrible. It's absolutely terrible. But you know what? My kids don't look at that and think, oh, that's terrible. They think, oh, here's mom sitting at the table enjoying this with us. And so that's really what it's all about. I did be a little creative. We've got mom and dad there in the red, and then the little green giggles are for each of the kids. And yes, I will be eating all of this today. All right, what have you guys enjoyed the most about doing this? So what do you enjoy about?
I enjoy eating it and building it.
Yeah?
I enjoy being with the family and just creating creations.
I would say making a storyline for my creation.
Yeah, putting the story with it. How about you, little buddy? What do you like the most about this?
You're the best mom, and I love that you let me build this. I love you.
Oh, honey, I love you.
What I like best about it is probably just the whole construction of it. It's just, I love starting from scratch on just materials and making it into something.
Nice work. And then look at this super dad. Like, not only did he build his gingerbread house, like, very nice to scale, then he went and strapped the baby on and is keeping the baby happy too. So grateful. I am a big fan of just do what you can when you can. I'm also a big fan of like matching family pajamas or fleece, but I want it to be practical. So these are fleece pullovers that we bought from the children's place when they were like $10. I think it was like maybe 4 years ago. And so we've just been wearing them every year. I actually do have new pajamas for the kids this year I'm kind of excited about. But if that is not something you're able to do right now, don't feel guilty about that. Just take it off your plate. Like don't even let that be a thought. Like, oh, I wish I would have, or oh, I should have. If it's not your thing, it's not your thing. And if you can't, you can't. 3 years ago, I have shared several times that I was really sick. I was in a place where like I was bedridden right here in this bed, and I was not able to get up and do these kind of things with my kids. And so now that I am able to, I'm embracing it and enjoying it. But I am also not making myself feel like I have to do these things for the sake of social media or for the sake of their childhood memories. Or it's like, if we can do it, we're going to do it. And if we can't, that's okay. I'm not going to let myself feel bad about it. So that's my hope for you guys too, that whatever you're doing this holiday season, that you would just feel like it is enough. It is okay if you're not like going all out. That's it. All right, guys, thanks for watching. As always, go out and do something awesome. See ya.